Hey guys, so let's discuss one new problem from stack, which is next greater element 1. Okay, so what you need to do here, you would be given one array, something like 4, 5, 2, 10 and 8. Okay, and here you need to find the next greater element. So for example, for 4, which next greater element you can see? 5, right? For 5, what is the next greater element? It's 2, no. It's 10, yes. For 2, it is 10. For 10, no greater element, so -1. For 8, no greater element, so -1. Okay, you are going left to right. Okay, now how you will find it, that is the question. Okay, so to find this, you will take one resultant array. Okay, just a minute, let me remove this. So you first will take one result. Okay, so this one will be empty of size n, and then one stack you will take. Okay, now you will traverse this array from right to left. Okay, so first 8 will come. You will check whether you will check for this. So first 8 will come. Okay, so you will check stack is not empty, no, condition false, so this one will not run. Stack is empty, yes, condition true. If a stack is empty, it means, see, stack we are using to maintain the greater element. Okay, and if stack is empty, it means there is no greater element for that particular element, so you will write -1. Okay, so you result I equal to -1, and then stack dot push array I, then you will push this 8 into stack. Okay, now next element will come 10. So 10 will come. You will check stack is empty, is not empty, condition true. Okay, so you will check stack dot pick. What it will return me? 8. Okay, this one is less than equal to 10. Correct, condition true, because my current element, there should not be any lesser value in the stack than my current element. If it is there, we will remove it. So stack dot pop. So I will pop this 8. Okay, and then I will check stack dot is empty, condition true. So I will just put -1 in resultant array. Okay, and then we'll push this value into the stack. So I will push 10 here. Okay, now next element will come 2. So it will again check stack is not empty, condition true, and 2 is less than equal to 10 is less than equal to 2, condition false. Okay, so we will not pop this element. The stack is empty, no, condition false. So whatever I have in stack pick, I will put it in result. So I have 10, I will put 10 here. Okay, now next now 2, I need to add 2 in a push 2 in a stack. Okay, now next element 5 will come. So it will check 2 is less than equal to 5, condition true. So I will remove this 2 from stack. Okay, and then 10 will come, so no, condition false, so I'll stop there. The stack is empty, no, condition false. So what I will put in result I is stack dot pick. So what I have 10, so I'll put 10 here. Okay, now next, and then we'll put this 5 into the stack. Okay, now next element 4 will come. So it will check 4 is less than equal to 5, condition true. 5 ulta, 5 is less than equal to 4, condition false. Okay, so what I will do, I'll just stack is not empty, so I'll put this 5 in for this result. So yeah, at the end you will return this result. That's it. Thank you.